For 90 Kids, the original Monsters Inc. slash Monster University is definitely All Real Monsters. All Real Monsters is a 90s Nickelodeon show based off three monsters, Ickis, Crumb, and Oblina, who attended school under a New York City dump to learn how to scare people. So the client I have today is Oblina. Oblina is a black and white striped monster with big red lips. She scares humans by pulling her internal organs through her mouth, and she also likes to shapeshift and induce nightmares in people's dreams. Not only is she rich, she's the brains of the group and is the Crumble's best student. So let's get into Procreate and create these nails. When Oblina reached out to me, she wanted something that represented her, literally. She loves herself and remains humble at all times. I know one of her concerns was making sure her nails matched both of her hands, since one of her hands is white and the other one is black. I know for sure she wanted to highlight her beautiful big lips, her eyes, and skin tone. I also know I wanted to highlight one of her ways to scare people. After I created those nails, I had 2 fingers left, which gave me room to freestyle. So let's get into making these nails. So for the first nail, I'm going to work on the middle finger. I already put my base coat down, which is by Modelones on Amazon. But to create the pattern of Oblina skin, I use black 48 and white 45 from Vbeauty Pure. I will create 3 sections alternating white and black. Next, I'm going to mix white gel paint with clear 3D gel to create the teeth for her mouth. Do as I say, not as I do. Do not touch gel with your fingers. You can create contact dermatitis and then you won't be able to wear any gel products. So, do as I say, not as I do. After I mix the paint and rolled it into sections, I began to form the shape of the teeth. One of the main things I was creating is her infamous gap. Next, I'm going to do the same thing to create the lips. Again, please do as I say, not as I do. So I mixed the red and the 3D gel to get a nice red color. The red color I'm using is 002 by Vbeauty Pure. After I think the colors are mixed well, I then roll it out into 2 sections and make each section long like a hot dog. I then form the lips around the teeth to make it give it a more natural look. The next finger we'll do is a ring finger, and we'll start out by creating a red deep French by using the red 002 by Vbeauty Pure. After we cure, we will create the eyes by mixing the green 035 with 3D gel. I will section the gels into 3 parts and then place them on the nails. After being cured, I'm going back in with 035 to make sure the green is more vibrant than muted. Then using the black 48, I create the long pupil and then create the black outline around the eyes. The index finger design was very easy and simple. I started off again by using black 48 from Vbeauty. Then I wanted to create the internal organs inside of Oblina. So to create this blob, I mixed 3D gel in the purple 035. I just moved the gel until it gave the shape that I think will look best to me. I used the silicone end of my rhinestone picker to dig into the gel to give it some texture. Then I mixed the purple and white to give it a lighter color to show the different sections of her internal organs. Moving on to the thumb, I painted a base color using red 02. And after curing, I painted a layer of blooming gel from the Beetles. Using the dotting tool and the white gel polish, I painted dots all over and waited for the white gel to spread. Then I used a smaller dotting tool and took the neon and the purple gel polish to place on top of the white gel. I vertically painted half the nail white and the other half black with gel polish. Lastly, I mixed rhinestone glue and gel polish to give it a little bit of elevation off the nails. Using the dotting tool, I spread the mixture in a comma shape motion, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to apply the top coat all over the nails to give it a nice glossy look. The top coat is by Kupa from Amazon. Alright y'all, this is the final look at the set. This set probably cost her around 150 toenails. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye y'all.